Hi and welcome again. In this tutorial we are going to see introduction to Power App and how we can set up environment for Power Platform tools. So let's start. Firstly, what is Power App? Power App is a service by Microsoft that let us build business applications which can run on browser, phone or tablet. Power App is powerful low-code, no-code application development platform, which means even a non-IT profession can create powerful applications in it. And at last, it provides us rapid development environment. Now, the types of app we can build in Power App. So we can build two types of app. First is canvas app, second is model driven app. Canvas app, as the name suggests, we are provided with the canvas where we simply drag and drop element to it and design the UI just as we do when we design a slide in PowerPoint. And to define logic, we have Excel like expressions in it. One more thing, Canvas app can be connected to multiple data sources like SharePoint, SQL, Excel, Dataverse, etc. Whereas model driven app, when we talk about model driven app, we have less control over UI and we can only connect to Dataverse as data source. And this type of app can model form, views and other component, and the default UI automatically adjust for our different devices like phone and desktop. Now let's talk about the key difference between canvas and model driven app. So first difference is simple, that data source canvas app can be connected to multiple data sources as I talked earlier, whereas model driven app will only be connected to Dataverse. Now talking about UI, in Canvas app we have full control over UI. In model driven app we have predefined user interface. We can do very minimal customization in it. Now who can access Canvas app? So they are accessed both internally and externally, whereas model driven app is only internally accessed. Now which require more coding? So Canvas app require more coding. If you need a custom experience, go with Canvas app. And if you just want to visualize your business processes, go with model driven app. What is the similarity between them? So both app can improve and automate business processes. Both app can increase productivity, reduce cost, and they both can be viewed on desktop, tablet or mobile devices. Now let's talk about how we can set up environment for Power Platform tools. For that we need Office 365 E5 license. I know most of you are students, so you require free license. For that you need to join Microsoft Development Program. This is the link for it. And I'll explain the process just now. So what this license includes? So this license include all Office 365 app, SharePoint, Power Platform tools. In Power Platform tools we have Power App, Power Automate, Power BI, etc. as you can see up here. Okay, and for first 90 days it is free. Now once you will just go to this link, http://developer.microsoft.com, this screen will load. So just click on this Microsoft 365 card. Once you click on it, you will be navigated to this screen. Click on this development program up here. Then a drop down will appear. Click on join now. Once you click on that join now, you will be navigated to this screen. Then click on this join now button up here. Once you click on that, it will ask you to sign in with your Microsoft account. If you didn't have any account with you, just create one. Creating an account is very simple. Just type the name of the account and @outlook.com. It will create an account for you. Okay, once your account is created, you will be navigated to this screen. Let me zoom this screen. Okay, so here give your country, select your country and region, give any name. Like here it will ask you your company name, so just provide any name and select the language of your preference and just check this button, check this checkbox, and then click on next. Okay, once you click on next, you will be navigated to this page where you just need to select personal project and click on next. Once you do that, you will see these checkboxes. So Either you can like check all the things if you want, or you can just keep like these 5 as I have done. It's up to you. Then you will be navigated to this screen, okay, where you just need to select instant sandbox, okay, and then just click on next. Once you click on next, it will ask you like admin credential, ask you to create admin credentials. So here see, just provide any admin username, give some password, confirm the password, and click on continue. Once you click on continue, it will ask you like to provide a number, mobile number. So just provide your mobile number, click on the send code. It will send you an OTP, enter that OTP and click on the setup button. Once you set this, so now it will process your data and create the account for you. This might take some time, so wait for it. So once this get completed, your account will be created, and you can click on like, if you see up here 9 dots, so you can click on that and you can see what all apps you have access to. Okay, so there you will see Power App also, and other like SharePoint, Power BI also. Okay, so this account will have the license for Power App, Power BI, SharePoint, etc. So now how to sign up to Power App? Just click on this link. Once you click on this link, you will see this UI. Okay, just click on sign in. Once you click on sign in, just sign in with that account which you just created, right? Here you, whatever account you have created, just sign in with that account. Okay, once you sign in, you will be logged into Power Apps. So this is it for this video. This is just an introduction video. In next one, we will create our first Canvas app. I hope you are excited for that. Till then, goodbye. See you next time.